cut really chunky, small. See? Yeah. Yeah. See how small? Yeah. Green onion, cut like this. Same like put inside the soup.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cabbage. This much carrot.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Peel the carrot first and then grate it if you have a grater. About half cup of hamburger. Not too much because it'll make it hard.
Yeah.
Okay, go ahead.
And one egg. And just like 1 tablespoon.
Sesame oil.
That's it. And then mix it. Any sesame oil.
I know.
Mix good with the ham.
Gross.
Gross, yeah.
About 1 teaspoon in the wonton wrap.
Yeah. And put that mixture. Oh.
Kind of have them a little bit at an angle, not a perfect triangle, a little bit offset triangle.
And then put the water all the way edge.
Water on the edge. See, a little bit offset.
Yeah.
So I have 1 point sticking up.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now take your folded wontons and put them in the oil. Make sure the oil's hot enough. They should brown quickly.
Ready?
Yeah. They also will tend to rise up to the top and boil if the oil's hot enough. If it's not hot enough, they'll sink.
See how come brown? Pat?
Yeah.
That's what you want.
They get brown quickly.
See like this brown?
And then turn them. Let the other side brown. And when they get brown like that, they're ready to go.
Yeah.
See, that one's almost ready already.
Yeah.
Under, not even 1 minute hardly.
Yeah.
And that's all you do. And then let the oil drain off of them in a paper towel or something. And you're done.
Yeah. See? Nice and brown.
And don't forget to mix the sauce. You can use tube mustard, Chinese mustard, or you can buy the powdered mustard, Japanese mustard. And there's what they look like when they're finished.
10 minutes.
And you mix that sauce with the Japanese mustard
And the
and some
shoyu.
shoyu, soy sauce.
But 1 cup of shoyu したらいい。
Not 1 cup.
Half cup. And just dip it and then eat it.
Put the dipping sauce in the center and everybody can use common dipping sauce.